Have you ever dreamt of creating a stream of income that flows in even while you're sleeping? A stream so steady and reliable that you can envision it flowing in even when you're lost deep in the world of dreams? If so, then you're on the threshold of an incredibly enticing world, the world of passive income. Passive income, yes, you heard right. An income that doesn't demand your constant attention or continuous effort. An income that doesn't tie you to a desk from 9 to 5. An income that allows you the freedom to pursue your passions, to travel the world, to spend quality time with your loved ones, essentially to live life on your terms. Quite appealing, isn't it? But what exactly is this passive income that we're talking about? In the simplest terms, passive income is the money you earn that doesn't require a lot of ongoing work to maintain. Think of it as a gardener who plants a seed, nurtures it till it grows into a tree, and then sits back and enjoys the fruits. The key is the upfront investment of time, energy, and sometimes money. But once that initial investment is made, the returns keep flowing in without requiring much effort. It's like having your money work for you while you kick back and revel in the freedoms that such an income affords. It's about creating a revenue stream that doesn't consume your time or energy, but instead contributes towards enhancing the quality of your life. It's about making smart, strategic investments that pay off in the long run. Welcome to the world of passive income, where your money works for you and not the other way around. The first step to creating your passive income machine is determining your niche. A niche, in layman's terms, is a specific area or topic that both sparks your interest and ignites your passion. This is an area where you are not only willing but desirous of investing your time and money. It's a topic that you could talk about or work on for hours on end without feeling exhausted or bored. It's something that you could wake up to every morning with a smile on your face, eager to dive into. For the sake of explanation, let's ponder over a few examples which will help you understand the concept better. Let's say you are an anti-aging. You are always on the hunt for the latest skincare products, researching, reading reviews, and staying updated on the latest trends. You can feel the excitement bubbling within you, the thrill of the chase, and the satisfaction of discovering the next big anti-aging breakthrough. Alternatively, you might be a tech aficionado, who is enamored by the world of technology. Every new gadget that hits the market sparks a curiosity within you. You enjoy the thrill of exploring and understanding these gadgets down to their very core. You love the feeling of being on the cutting edge, of knowing and understanding the latest technological innovations before anyone else. These are just two examples among an infinite number of possibilities that await you. The beauty of finding your niche is that it's entirely personal and unique to you. It's something that makes you, you. And this is what will make your passive income machine successful. Because whatever your passion may be, remember, it's always easier to create content and market products you genuinely love and believe in. Once you have your niche, the next step is to set up a platform where you can share your knowledge and insights. You may be wondering, why should platform matter? Well, herein lies the beauty of modern technology. There are so many avenues available today, so many channels where you can voice your thoughts and engage with your audience. The most common platform used by people worldwide is a blog. It's a fantastic place to start, with the potential for unlimited creativity and personal expression. From detailed, thought-provoking articles to sharing your insights via images or infographics, a blog provides a canvas to paint your knowledge in the colors of your choice. Alternatively, you could consider setting up a YouTube channel. Video content is trending, and the platform's massive viewership offers a huge potential audience. YouTube gives you the opportunity to connect with your audience on a more level by letting them see your expressions, hear your voice, and even feel your enthusiasm. Perhaps you prefer the spoken word over written or visual content. If so, a podcast might be the perfect fit for you. Although they've been around for a while, podcasts have recently exploded in popularity, and they can be an excellent medium to share knowledge. They offer the bonus of being consumable on the go, making them an excellent choice for busy people. Regardless of your chosen platform, remember to stay true to yourself. Authenticity is key in this journey. Share the story of your journey, your experiences, the victories you've achieved, and even the setbacks you've faced. It's this authenticity that will resonate with your audience and keep them coming back for more. Now, let's delve into the third step on our entrepreneurial journey: affiliate marketing. In the simplest terms, affiliate marketing promoting a product or service. To put it into perspective, imagine yourself as an ambassador for a brand. You would be spreading the word about this brand's products or services, and for every successful sale that comes from your personal referral link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The brand gets exposure and sales, while you get a piece of the profit pie. Affiliate marketing is something that can be incorporated into your business once you've already built a solid platform and a healthy audience base. Building this audience is no overnight task. It requires dedication, consistency, and constant effort to engage with your followers and provide them with content they find valuable. This is crucial because your audience forms the basis of your affiliate marketing success. The larger and more engaged your audience, the higher your chances of generating successful referrals. Once solidified your platform and audience, the world of affiliate marketing opens up to you. You can start reaching out to brands within your niche and signing up for their affiliate programs. This is where being selective truly pays off. Don't just promote any product that comes your way. Be picky. Select only those products that you genuinely believe in, products that align with your values, and those you think will bring real value to your audience. By being selective, you're doing more than just earning money. You're also building trust and credibility with your audience. When your followers see that you promote only quality products, they're more likely to trust your recommendations and make a purchase. This way, you're not just earning money, you're also building trust with your audience. So, you have your niche, your platform, and your affiliate links. What's next? Now, you're ready to immerse in the fourth integral step of the process: creating engaging content that will propel traffic towards your platform. This is an essential step because without it, nobody will be directed to your platform to see your affiliate links. You may wonder about the type of content you should create. It could materialize in a variety of forms depending on your niche and platform. If you are more comfortable with writing, you might want to consider drafting blog posts. These posts can be a deep dive into the product, a guide, or a review, giving your readers a comprehensive understanding of it. On the other hand, if you relish in front of a camera, creating YouTube videos could be your go-to medium. It holds the power to visually demonstrate the product usage, offering a realistic view to your audience. Alternatively, podcasts offer a unique way to reach audiences. In an era dominated social media, do not overlook the power it holds. Crafting eye-catching social media posts can attract a considerable audience. The trick is to know your strengths and exploit them to your advantage. Regardless of the form, authenticity should be your mantra. Share your personal experiences with the products, giving the audience a sense of trust and reliability. It's also a great opportunity to provide useful tips and advice, shedding light on the product's potential benefits or drawbacks. The aim is not just to get your audience to read or watch your content, but to encourage them to engage with it. And always encourage your audience to engage with your content. And finally, the fifth step: rinse and repeat. Passive income isn't a one-time victory. It's a consistent game of dedication, perseverance, and strategic efforts. It's not about just setting up a platform and expecting a continuous flow of money. Rather, it demands your time, your energy, your innovative ideas. Imagine this: you're creating a garden. You can't merely plant the seeds and expect them to grow without any further attention. You'd need to water them, provide them with sunlight, protect them pests, and nourish them with proper care. Similar is the case with passive income. You need to foster it, nourish it, and let it create engaging content, be it blogs, podcasts, videos, or social media posts. The more you create, the more visibility you get. The more visibility, the more opportunities for people to engage with your affiliate products. Keep promoting your affiliates through all available channels. It might seem tedious and time-consuming, but remember, every effort counts. Engagement is key. It's not just about posting. You need to converse with your audience, answer their queries, listen to their suggestions, and even accept their criticism. It's about creating a community rather than just an audience. Your audience is your goldmine. They are the ones who can turn your efforts into monetary gains. Remember, Creating a passive income machine isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a long-lasting, sustainable source of income that allows you to live the life you desire. It's about saying goodbye to the traditional 9-to-5 job and welcoming financial. It's about freedom, serenity, and peace of mind. It's a journey, not a destination. So, are you ready to take the first step towards creating your passive income machine? This is a question that often lingers in the minds of those eager to break free from the chains of a 9-to-5 job. A question that echoes in the dreams of those who envision a life where they can earn while they snooze, where they create wealth without actively working every moment. You see, the beauty of a passive income machine lies in its simplicity. It's not a complex, multi-level marketing scheme that confuses you at every step. It's about finding a niche, a corner of the market that speaks to you, that aligns with your interests, passions, and skills. A niche that you can dominate, providing value to your target audience, continuously drawing them in. Once you've found this niche, it's time to start building. Building your platform, a blog, a website, a YouTube channel, or whatever suits your style. This is your stage where you'll perform, your canvas where you'll paint. This platform should be an extension of your personality, somewhere you feel comfortable sharing, communicating, and connecting. The next stage is to start. This doesn't mean you need to start peddling products or services immediately. Instead, focus on creating value. Become an authority in your niche, build trust, and the money will flow. You might wonder, can this be done overnight? The answer is no. Like anything worth having, it takes time, effort, and patience. And while you're contemplating, remember this: the best time to start was yesterday, the next best time is now. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Make your move.